Sabadi, my name is Un. I'm from Okpoktuk team. Today I'm going to teach you basic Lao that you would hear and use when you visit Laos. First one is Sabadi. Sabadi means hello, that you can use when you meet or greet someone. For example, when you see someone around Laos, you just say Sabadi means hello. The second one is Taudai, means how much. So you can use this when you would like to buy something from the market, on the street, or when you ask for the tuk-tuk. You just say Taudai, and then the vendors and then the people will reply you the price, or will tell you the price.
ขอบใจหลายๆ It means thank you very much. If you want to say thank you to someone, you just say ขอบใจหลายๆ
Two other used to words to know are yes and no. Yes is เจ้า or โดย No is บ่ The next verse is ขอโทษ So ขอโทษ means like a sorry in English. If you would like to apologize to someone, you can say ขอโทษ or ขอโทษเด้อ When you don't want to eat spicy, you can say บ่เผ็ด บ่เผ็ด means no spicy.
You say means where. Use when you want to ask about the place. For example, when you want to go to the Okpoktuk, you just say where is the Okpoktuk or Okpoktuk you say.
Another word is ตลาด If you would like to go to the market to buy something, you can say ตลาด Yusar means where is the market.
If you're looking for the toilets and the bathroom, you can say in Lao, Hong Nam Yu Sai. It means Hong Nam Yu Sai. It means where is the toilet.
When you are leaving your hotel and you want to greet staff, you can say พบกันใหม่ พบกันใหม่ means see you later.
One is Taudai. You got it?
No, say that.
Okay.
Like a ลาด
Nung, song.
Sorry. Other words. Sorry. Two other words.
Hello. Somebody.